Okay, girls, are we ready to go for a walk? Everybody needs to sit. Sit. Good girls. Chica, sit. Good girls. Kimber, sit. Kimber, sit. Sit. Good girls. Okay, we're ready to go out the door. Just a second. Okay, here we go. What a way to walk dogs, huh? Kimber, what you doing? Huh? Here we are. On our little walking. Hi, Kimber. Oh. You want walking? So here we are looking at the beach this morning. Right, little missy? Hello, Chica. Chloe? It's just the girls. Kimber, what do you think of the beach, baby? Huh? What a gorgeous morning. Ah, yeah. Sound of the beach. Whew. Can't get much better than that. Just checking the place out. Kimber? Kimber? Come on back. Oh, good girl. Good girl, yes. Good girl, Chloe. And Chica, this is home, huh? Nobody's there. Sorry, Chica, nobody's there. What do you see, Chloe? Girls! Girls! Just another day in paradise. What a gorgeous coastline. Yeah. Guess I should do an after the walk segment. Tired doggies. Yeah? Sleepy girl? Yes, you are, aren't you? Chloe's a sleepy girl too. Got your exercise for the day? Yeah? Love you. Love you, Chloe.